If you're looking for a reliable, all-around window cleaning brush, the Pure Water Power Hybrid Brush is a great choice. With its combination of nylon and boar's hair bristles, this brush strikes the perfect balance, delivering the strength needed for tough grime while being gentle enough for a streak-free finish. The PWP Hybrid Brush comes in 3 sizes: 16 inches, 20 inches, and 23 inches, allowing you to choose the size you need. You can choose between fast lock swivel, or the standard Euro threaded option. No matter your setup, there's a socket option to match. Each PWP Hybrid Brush is equipped with pencil jets that deliver a steady and controlled water flow, ensuring an even distribution across the surface you're cleaning. This feature not only helps loosen dirt and debris, but also reduces the need for excess scrubbing, making your job more efficient. The PWP Hybrid Brush is a powerful, all-around tool for professional window and solar panel cleaning. Whatever the job, this brush delivers the results you need. For any questions, you can reach out to our support team at purewaterpower.com.